Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Laurina, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to we're doing a tutorial on how to achieve this box braid look. I will be doing the rubber band method. If you're interested in that, then keep on watching. This method is actually so simple that I contemplated not filming this hair tutorial because I actually did this hairstyle. It's just a protective style, so I didn't do it because I wanted to film it or anything. But yeah, let's just get into it. So like I said, I used the rubber band method, and the rubber band method just helps you get a grip on your hair. So I would highly recommend this if you're trying to do box braids that you want to last a very long time. So you obviously just take a rubber band like I showed in the previous clip there and band up your hair. Now I know that a lot of people have qualms, I think that's the word, with rubber bands because they claim that rubber bands are damaging to your hair. Like I've said before, if you don't want the rubber bands tugging on your hair or being hectic on your hair, then I would suggest that you dip them in olive oil or any other type of oil. They usually just break off for me. Like I said, maybe I just buy cheap rubber bands, but these rubber bands usually just break off. As you can see, I tapered the ends of my fiber and then I crocheted it in. If you'd like to know how to crochet, I have a video on that. I'll leave a video link in the description box down below or at the end of this video. Now, a tip that I do have when it comes to braiding, as you can see, I'm braiding there, but I'm using my hair as the one strand and then the other two strands are the braiding hair. I recommend you don't do that. So as you can see now, I'm now splitting the two strands and merging them into my hair. I would suggest you do that instead because as you can see in the base of my hair in the beginning there, the braid is looking a bit wonky, and that's because the one strand, because this is a 3-strand braid, the one strand is too thin. So I would highly suggest from the get-go you split your strands into 3 even strands, otherwise your braid will look wonky. As you can see now, the braid looks fine and proper and legit and well behaved, like it's got home training. And that's because the strands are now even. So I'm just going to show you once again how to do this method. It's so quick, so simple. Just crochet your braid in after you've rubber banded your hair, and then comb out the braiding hair if need be. Tighten up the band if you need to, and then you 3-strand braid with 3 even strands, otherwise your braid will look a bit wonky. For this part, it doesn't look wonky because I split my hair into a larger portion in the top of my head. So all 3 strands of my 3-strand braids were all even. The only problem that I had with braiding was making sure that every single braid is the same size. I'm not an expert braider, so I had quite a bit of trouble doing that. But otherwise, everything else was pretty simple. So the 2 tips I would have is making sure that your 3-strand braids are all the same size and making sure that all your braids on your head are the same size. These are hot water braids, so I had to dip them in hot water straight after doing my hair. Otherwise, they will come undone and all of it would just have been a waste of time. Thank you very much, Siri, for letting me know what time it is. And then I just dipped the braids into hot water. You don't need to dip the entire braid. What you just want to make sure is that the tips of your braids are dipped in hot water so that doesn't unravel. And if you make sure that that's done, then the unraveling won't go all the way up to the braid. And that's the end. That is it. That is the final look. That's how I achieved that look. Obviously, you can still see the rubber bands because of the method that I used. But if you want a different method that actually hides the rubber band, because whilst braiding, I discovered you can actually hide the rubber bands. I just come to terms with that fact that you can see them. But if you want that method, let me know down in the comment section below. Please try this hairstyle out. Tag me. Let me know how it goes. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.
I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I have a tendency of like touching my hair. Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below, and what other method you would like me to try out when it comes to the box braid method. Please don't try and have me do the invisible knot. I'm still learning, but if you do want that, then I'll definitely practice that further for you guys, and come on here with a tutorial. Otherwise, let me know your thoughts down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in another video. Bye.